Hi guys, welcome back to the Coil Factory. It's Jessicurl. Today's video is going to be on two products from, and this is Jessicurl products. I have both of them in my hair, so I did a bit of comparison with both. But before we get into this video, and I'll tell you exactly the products that I use from Jessicurl, please join the Coil Factory family, subscribe to my channel, and join me on social media. Guys, you know how I love comparisons. So I have both of these Jessicurl products and these are the results, and I'm going to talk a little bit about the results and I'm going to tell you the differences that I see. But let's talk about the products that I used. On this side of my hair here from Jessicurl, I used their styling solution. Now when I was shopping for Jessicurl products, I didn't know which to buy and I didn't know how they were going to work. But on this side, as I said, this is their Confident Curl styling solution and there's no fragrance added in here. It promises to define touchably soft curls in all climates, and my curls are soft and they've got really good hold. So I'm going to tell you what it says at the back of the bottle. It says use with Jessicurl rocking ringlets or generation spray for extra curl enhancement or alone to give tighter curls definition as well as hold. I use this alone and my tighter curls really do have definition. It also says to distribute evenly through soaking wet hair and scrunch to encourage curls or finger comb to elongate. I applied it on wet hair. I don't scrunch my hair, it gives me way too much shrinkage. And then it also says this stuff is pretty concentrated, so less is more. For product demo videos and tons of more tips, check out the Jessicurl website. So you don't need to use a lot. The application was really nice and I'll talk about the results on this side. I didn't have to do much refreshing in the morning. In fact, on both sides I didn't refresh my hair. All I did was just touch up these little front sections. I haven't fluffed my hair out. I haven't done anything to give myself any more volume. But as I said, these are the results on this side. Now on this side, I use the Spiralicious styling gel, and this provides all day hold and frizz control for all hair types, and I applied this in sections as well. Larger sections application was very easy, and at the back it says shake bottle and apply evenly to soaking wet hair and scrunch to encourage curls or finger comb to elongate. Like the other side, my hair was just wet and I didn't scrunch it at all. It also says air dry or dry with the diffuser. I air dried both sides. It says use with Jessicurl rocking ringlets or generation spray if extra curl enhancement is desired. I think I need to try out those other Jessicurl products. It says if you want hold and definition, use by itself. Once fully dry, any crunch that occurs is easily scrunched out to reveal touchably soft curls that will last all day long. Now let's talk about the comparison. I like the gel side better. In terms of consistency, this felt like a cream and this felt like a cream gel. The gel has a completely different smell to the styling solution that I used on this side, but both of them did such a good job. I really can't see much difference. Here my curls are just a little bit tighter, but definition on both sides, shine on both sides, hold on both sides, but my preference is just a little bit of the side that I did the gel. And again, as I said this morning, I haven't fluffed my hair out or given my hair any volume. I literally woke up, took off my scarf and just touched up the front of my hair. So I'm just doing a little bit of fluffing, not much frizz that comes out of it, but I do like these products from Jessicurl. I am so impressed with it. I've seen it around. It took me a long time to actually use them, but these are the results. Thanks guys for joining me in this comparison video using Jessicurl products. Leave your comments down below. Don't forget to subscribe and follow me on social media, and I'll see you again in another video. Take care.